Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So, today we are going to do monthly reading for Leo for the month of April 2026. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. So, let's see what do the cards have for Leo for the month of April 2026. I'm sorry I couldn't do the monthly readings for March for actually I couldn't do it for any of the signs, so I'm really sorry for that. So let's see what do the cards have for April. Actually I was traveling and was busy with other things, so I couldn't upload the readings. So now we'll try to keep it every month. Okay, we'll try to upload the readings before the month starts. All right, let's see what do the cards have for Leo for April. Overall energy for Leo, please. Overall energy for Leo, please, for April. Overall energy for Leo for April 2026. Overall energy for Leo for April 2026. Overall energy for Leos for April 2026. Okay. Alright. Let's see what are the challenges we have for Leo. Obstacles and challenges for Leo in April. Obstacles and challenges. Okay. Actions or advice we have for Leo. Actions or advice we have for Leo in April. Actions or advice for Leo in April, please. Wow. Okay. Let's see what are the strengths and opportunities. You are dealing with a lot of things, I guess. I'm getting so much heavy energy. My cards are falling off. Okay. Strength and opportunities for Leo, please. Strength and opportunities for Leos, please. Okay. What's the probable outcome we have for Leo in April? Probable outcome for Leos in April. Okay, got it. Alright, so the overall energy for you, I see, Leo, is, you are coming out as, confident, independent, and handling everything well. Okay, taking care of your finances in a very good manner and expecting some kind of reward. It can be आपने पहले कहीं इन्वेस्टमेंट किया था, उसका कुछ रिटर्न आने के चांसेस हैं. There is some kind of positive news coming in for you in April is what I'm seeing here. Okay, and that is making you feeling at peace. Okay, you are somewhere feeling secure, financially secure, emotionally stable, good, basically good calming energy is what I'm getting here for you in April, Leo. Okay, there is some kind of good news is also coming in your way. Now it can be in any form, like in your work, related to your workplace, your relations, something which is bringing peace. Okay, mental and emotional peace is what I'm seeing here. There is definitely growth coming in your life. Okay, for some of you, I see, if you are waiting for the news that you have conceived, then there are very good chances that you will get that good news is also I'm getting here. Okay, so very positive month for you, I would say, Leo. Okay, now the key challenges and obstacles here is what I'm seeing is, you are focusing towards growth. Okay, maybe for some of you, you already have a fixed source of income, and now you are open to start something other than what you already have now. Say for example, you're already in a job and you want to start something which can create another source of income. Okay, for some of you it can be you already have a fixed investment, a big investment, and now you are planning to have something which will be an investment in the current, in the a big current scenario, but it is turning out to be a रिवॉर्डिंग इन्वेस्टमेंट. ओके, उस तरह की एनर्जी है. बेसिकली आप अपना ग्रोथ की तरफ आप फोकस कर रहे हो. हाउ यू कैन ग्रो इन योर लाइफ, हाउ यू कैन बी मोर how do you say, come out as more passionate towards something. Okay, किसी तरह का आपको expansion चाहिए. Okay, that can be the right word if you're planning to invest your money, planning to get in more financial rewards kind of thing, rewarding investment kind of thing. Okay, उस तरह की energy है. So you are kind of focused on how you can grow or make your finances better. For some of you, you are planning to travel. It can be a 2 days travel also. For some of you, I'm seeing it can be a short travel, or it can be you're planning a trip. For some of you, it can be a trip to a foreign land or a completely different place जहाँ पे आप पहले नहीं गए हो. उस तरह की energy is what I'm getting here for you, Leo. ओके, एंड इट्स अ वेरी गुड एनर्जी बेसिकली. तो आप कुछ ना प्लान करते हुए दिख रहे हो, आप फोकस्ड हो आपकी. इट कैन बी फॉर रीलोकेशन ऑल्सो, कि मैं यहाँ से यहाँ पे रिलोकेट कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ, तो हाउ विल आई बी एडजस्टिंग देयर, व्हाट डू आई नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ, व्हाट डू आई नीड टू हैव, what and all I have to take care, क्या लेना पड़ेगा, क्या नहीं लेना पड़ेगा. So some kind of investment and planning is what I'm seeing happening here. Okay, yeah, very beautiful energy, nothing to worry about. But yes, it's a good card, it's a good card. But the challenge here is कि आप थोड़ा सा आपका ध्यान थोड़ा ज्यादा उसमें रहेगा. एक्शन लेने की जगह आप प्लान करने में ज्यादा फोकस्ड दिख रहे हो in the month of April. Yeah, that is what I'm seeing. But whatever is happening is bringing growth, definitely is bringing growth. Okay, good card. Now the action or advice here is that you have the support of the universe. A cycle is going to complete. Okay, now you have to know how you have to end it. Okay, it can be आप पास्ट के इश्यूज को आप अपने साथ लेके फ्यूचर में आगे बढ़ रहे हो, उस बैगेज को आप अपने साथ में लेके आगे बढ़ रहे हो, या फिर आप अपनी जर्नी बहुत लाइट एंड इजी बना के आप पास्ट के बैगेज को ड्रॉप करके आगे बढ़ने का डिसाइड कर रहे हो. उस तरह की कुछ एनर्जी है. सो इट्स लाइक यू आर सपोर्टेड बाय द यूनिवर्स. साइकिल इज कंप्लीटिंग, अ फेज इन योर लाइफ इज गोइंग टू कंप्लीट एंड यू नीड टू बी हैप्पी. ओके, जो भी हुआ है पास्ट में, यू नीड टू टेक द लेसन्स फ्रॉम दैट. You need to take the lessons from that and move ahead with with growth, with the lessons, not with the trauma or the guilt or grief को लेके आपको आगे नहीं बढ़ना है. आपको सिर्फ lessons को लेके आगे बढ़ना है आपकी लाइफ में. A cycle is going to complete and it is going to make you feel good. You will feel that you are supported. Okay, आपको कभी भी किसी भी चीज की जरूरत है तो you will get the support in one or the other way. Somebody will come and help you out. Okay, उस तरह की energy is what I am seeing here. And as I said, बहुत peaceful energy है. This card and these two are giving me the energy of this happiness, peace, satisfaction, growth, evolvement. बोलते ना soul evolve हो रही है. You have learned a lesson in the past and now you are ready to move ahead into the new chapter of your life is what I am getting here. Okay, so you have to move ahead in your life with happiness, with peace, with joy. आपको अपना past का baggage लेके आगे नहीं बढ़ना है कि ये पहले ऐसा हो गया, अभी ऐसे पहले क्यों हुआ, ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, I didn't deserve that. You don't have to take all that grief, that heaviness with you when you are moving into the next phase of your life. Okay, just be happy. Just focus on the lessons, take that and leave and move towards the new phase or new journey in your life. Okay, is what I'm getting here. A cycle is going to complete basically, and it's going to make you feel good, supported, happiness, joy is coming in your life is what I'm seeing. Now the strength and opportunity, something is moving. Okay, again I said there is some kind of movement happening. For some of you it can be relocation, for some of you it can be travel, for some of you there is something is moving at a very fast pace. कुछ sudden से कुछ हो जाएगा and which you were not expecting to happen so soon. Okay, उस तरह की energy है. And again I'm saying कि it's a growth card. Okay, it's a it's a positive card. It's bringing growth with itself. It's bringing rewards, with itself. So जो भी हो रहा है, it's happening, all of a sudden, and it's bringing growth, okay, with you. Now it is something, it can be again an unexpected travel and an unexpected investment. जो आपने इन्वेस्टमेंट पहले किया था उससे अनएक्सपेक्टेड रिवॉर्ड आ जाएगा, उस तरह की एनर्जी है, बट इट इज अ वेरी पॉजिटिव साइन, ओके. आई स्ट्रांगली सी समबडी कमिंग आउट टू यू इन एन अनएक्सपेक्टेड वे. हो सकता है कोई आपका, आप किसी ऐसे पर्सन से मिलो जो आपने एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया हो, एंड टर्न आउट टू बी अ गुड कनेक्शन फॉर यू, ओके. नाउ द आउटकम हियर फॉर यू लियो आई सी इज, यू आर बीइंग डिफेंसिव, ओके. आप थोड़ा डिफेंसिव हो रहे हो at times, which is good, but not all the time, okay. आपको अपने लिए stand लेने की जरूरत है, which is required. Sometimes you have to speak for yourself, sometimes you have to take stand for yourself, but you don't have to be defensive always, okay. There are people who may try to trigger you, or may try to pull you down, or may try to blame you for things which you have not done, but you don't have to panic, okay. आपको पैनिक नहीं करना है, आपको ऑफेंसिव नहीं होना है, आपको सिर्फ अपने लिए स्टैंड लेना है इन अ वेरी मेच्योर वे, ओके. जैसे यहाँ पे आपको हो सकता है, आपको डिफरेंट 4 लोग आपसे 4 तरह की बातें बोले, कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने किसी से कुछ एडवाइस लेना है, आपने किसी से कुछ डिस्कस किया, एंड दे आर लाइक कि नहीं तू ऐसा कर ले, दूसरा बोलेगा नहीं तू ऐसा कर ले, तीसरा बोलेगा नहीं तू ऐसा कर ले, एंड एवरीबडी इज गिविंग डिफरेंट ओपिनियंस, एंड यू आर समवेयर लाइक कि आई एम नॉट काइंड ऑफ ओके विद एनी ऑफ द सजेशंस, ओके. तो अगर आप जब ये बोलोगे ना, तो एवरीबडी विल बी लाइक कि जब मानना ही नहीं था तो पूछा क्यों, है ना, उस तरह की एनर्जी हो जाती है. सो बेसिकली आप वो करो जो आपको सही लग रहा है, बट इमेच्योरली डिसीजन नहीं लेना है, बहुत केयरफुल प्लानिंग के साथ डिसीजन लेना है, और यू हैव टू स्पीक अप, ओके. यू हैव टू स्पीक अप फॉर योर सेल्फ. नाउ इट कैन बी इन योर वर्क प्लेस, आपने किसी चीज पे काम किया, एंड इट्स लाइक कि आपका क्रेडिट तो कोई और लेके चला गया, बट उसमें अगर कोई मिस्टेक हो गई तो सारा ब्लेम आप पे आ जाता है, राइट, कि ये तो तुमने ही किया था, तुम ही ने ऐसे किया था, तुमसे ही मिस्टेक हुआ है. सो यू हैव टू take stand for yourself, okay. You have to speak up in these kind of situations, okay. So don't let just people put you down, or play smartly there, okay. You have to be what do you say, you have to be vulnerable and strong at the same time, okay. So that is what I am seeing here. So you have to अगर आप बहुत ज्यादा गार्डेड हो रहे हो तो आप अपॉर्चुनिटीज ब्लॉक कर दोगे. अगर आप अपने लिए बोलोगे ही नहीं तो लोग आपको नीचे नीचे दिखा के चले जाएंगे, राइट. तो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड वेयर एंड हाउ यू हैव टू रिएक्ट एंड स्पीक, okay. So that is what the energy I have for you, Leo, for April. Now we will take a guiding message here for you from the oracle deck. Wow. Okay, first we take this as it was up. So sorry, yeah, I'll take this because this was facing upwards. So like, wise one, see, grow within your current situation, right. See, it's connecting with the world card clearly. So जो भी आपने लेसन लिए हैं अभी तक, उससे आपको अपने लेसन्स को लेके आगे बढ़ने की जरूरत है. यू नीड टू इवॉल्व, ओके. आपको, हमारी सोल का लेसन होता है, जब वो सोल लेसन ले लेती है तो फिर जिन लोगों ने उस लेसन को नहीं लिया है वो आपको गाइड नहीं कर सकते, वो आपको समझा नहीं पाएंगे, या वो आपको समझ भी नहीं पाएंगे. एंड यू डोंट हैव टू एक्सप्लेन एनीथिंग टू एवरीवन, राइट. सो जस्ट लिसन एंड फोकस ऑन योर लेसन्स एंड grow, okay. Grow and move to the next phase of your life, move towards new journey in your life. Keep going, and grow with happiness, peace, and be careful where you take stand for yourself and where you don't have to speak anything, okay. So that's the energy I have for you, Leo. If you have liked it, please do like this video. Please claim the positive energy from this reading. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.